Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at the SPY, the IWM, and the triple Qs. So a quick look at the SPY on the daily chart is telling me that right now we're in a little bit of a bullish stance. We bounced off the 200 MA, got above the two other MAs here, got to this fib line and closed just a little above it. The fib line, no, fib line looks pretty good, so we're just a little bit above it. Tomorrow we're going to look for a close possibly up in here. If you're looking to short the SPY and you want to get in, if it goes up into this area, this slant area, right around, say 213 or so, which is right in here, you can think about doing it. If it gets above the all-time high, maybe give yourself a $14, $15 stop out on this one, maybe. So go with a smaller share size and just give yourself that room to where you feel comfortable, or just in case if it gets up into the 120 or 225 level, you're thinking about getting out. But then we will reevaluate stuff when we get there. But if you take this thing short in this area, just position yourself in a 10 or a 5% position, and that's it. Make it simple. Wide stop if it gets above there. Then, like I said, the longs, this thing has a little more to go possibly, but we're going to wait for confirmation on the short side. Looking to get into this pivot around 206 and then possibly into the 204 area. Then possibly more downside, but we'll wait until that happens. Let's look at the IWM. IWM now is a little weaker stance. Couldn't capture the 200 MA today, so we're below the MAs. Could barely get going. I mean, it had a pretty good day, don't get me wrong. Just a little bit weaker technically on the charts. Had the bearish pattern, broke down. Now we're setting up again with a little bit of retrace. Let's get above the 200, start capturing this fib level in here. If it gets above the 50 MA in this fib, then we'll talk. But right now, bearish stance. If it gets up into this, if you're long, you're looking to capture that level, fill the gap. And if you want to go short, you take it right here when it fills the gap. Then use the all-time high as a stop out. Very easy trade. But if it gets closer, I'll let everybody know. Let's look at the Qs. Qs, got to get above the 20 MA. Right now in a weak stance. Let's go here. Let's do this. So bam, we're retracing. We're trying to get above this Fibonacci level. We're getting above on the, nope, we closed right below the 20 MA. Try to capture up here. If you want to short the Qs, if you can wait patiently, possibly gap fill or all-time highs. And then probably give yourself a $10 stop or so. So take a 5% position, a little bit smaller, but you get yourself a chance just in case this has one more push up. Or if you want to get short right in this area, or right if it gets up into this green line around 112, 113, then I think you could possibly go short there. Maybe go, 5% position, 6%. Just give yourself at least, maybe a $10 stop where you feel comfortable with. We normally do a 5 or 10% position of our total portfolio. But that's my stance on this. A little bit, it's kind of neutral right now, but it's still down and sideways. We're short. We already covered half, so we're waiting to get, we're holding tight. That's all I'm saying. I'm thinking we could possibly get into the 106 level or so. But there's something we're watching. It's just kind of choppy, sloppy right now. And let's go back to the SPY. So what tomorrow we're going to be watching for, where this one closes. Let's see if it still captures these, or if it comes back down below them, then we'll reevaluate. So, but that's very important on this chart, for this one to keep going up. So, again, bull or bear, we don't care. We just want to be on the right side of the trade here at StockBookie. And everybody, thanks again for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. And hopefully I help some traders out there. And again, thanks everybody. God bless. See you on the charts.